Hi everyone, welcome to Mojo Handicrafts and thanks for joining me. This is the last video of year 2020 and in this video I will be teaching you how to dry your fresh flowers and keep it forever with you. So let's begin. I have got few wild rose petals here. I have removed it, washed it and dried it under the fan, and now I will be drying these completely till it becomes very crisp in my microwave so that the color remains intact. Actually, you can dry it in the sun also, but in the sun the color won't remain intact. So I have placed a felt cloth, and then on top of that I have placed one tissue. On that I have spread my petals. You can spread your flowers also, and I am covering it with another felt cloth, and then I will be pressing it. To press it you need something very heavy, so I am using a glass plate. This is the glass plate. Actually it is a lid, but it is quite heavy, so I will place this on the flower petals and then I will keep it in the microwave. I will be leaving it for 1 minute first, and then maybe if it is not dried I will redo it for another 30 seconds. You check with the settings of your microwave, because some microwaves are very heavy and the power is quite strong, so you have to check first 30 seconds and then 30 seconds. After 1 minute I have removed the plate, and now you can see I'm removing it. You can see the moisture on the felt cloth, and we'll just peep inside and check the petals if it is dried. No, it hasn't, as actually the moisture was there, so it got stuck with the felt cloth. Though you don't have to worry about it, you just leave it for some time under the fan. Once it dries it will look like this. So if you find that the moisture is still there, you can again put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds and then just bring it out, leave it under the fan and let it dry for some time. See, it has come out so well. Let me show you some more flowers which I had dried around 3-4 months back. These are the beautiful colorful flowers which I got it from the local market, and initially I was little skeptical about it, whether I should try it or not, whether it'll look nice or not. But see how beautifully I dried them, and the color remains as it is. But for the flowers you have to do one thing. You have to press and dry it from both the sides, up and down both. You have to turn it over and again you have to put it in the microwave. Then finally it will come out like this. And let me show you all my dried flowers now. Say, this is the rose petals which I just showed you how I have dried, and I have become so obsessed about drying the flowers. I'm enjoying it so much. And these are the flowers which I had dried around 3 to 4 months, or maybe more than that. I don't even remember the months. So during the lockdown only I had done it. See the color, it's so beautiful and it is still intact. Can you believe this? So the best thing is that you can dry the flowers within seconds. Just 1 minute I dried, because the petals got dried within 1 minute, but maybe the flowers will take more time. You can try out so many projects with this, like wall decors. For this wall decor you can check the description box. I have left the link of my video how I have done this, and you can add it to your cards, handmade cards, your envelopes, your paper bags, like I have been doing it. Here it is. And I also add to my products like soy wax room fresheners, and then I add it to my candles also, and I make aroma stones also. For that also I add my dried flowers, because dried flowers really help me in giving a nice fragrance to the room. As soon as the fragrance gets over in the stone, I add few drops to the dried flowers, and again it becomes fresh. And see, what is this? This is the next video which I will be showing you and sharing the details of how to decorate your diary. So till then, you have to take care of yourself, and goodbye 2020 and goodbye Corona too. Hope you have a great new year ahead. Wishing all of you a very happy 2021. Till then, see you again. See you next year on 2021. Bye bye. Take care.